Somil, how are you looking at markets? Talk to us about what you're making of the last couple of days of the Nifty move. Also, today is slightly difficult in terms of the global handover. It's not looking as good as the last couple of days. What are you penciling in terms of a move today?
Good morning. Good morning to everyone.
Very good morning.
A view on the downside, of course, in the medium term outlook, we are trading below 20 and 40 daily moving average. Forming low tops, low bottom on the weekly charts, on the monthly charts, which is not a good sign. But in the very short term, we are trading. We have closed about 200 daily exponential moving average, and the sharp correction which we have seen in the last 3-4 weeks. I think we are ready for a good bounce, and we've already bounced back from very good levels of 24,900, 24,800. Those are very crucial levels for a medium term outlook. Now the bounce which I'm expecting till 25,500, 25,600, 25,600 remains a very crucial resistance on the upside, and also 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is at 25,700. Almost both the averages are at the same level. So I'm expecting a resistance there as well. Overall, in the very short term, a good bounce from here. In the medium term outlook, still the trend remains negative. So we have to be very selective on the sectors, like PSU banking is doing good, metals are doing good. So these two are my favorite picks at the moment.
Okay, that's the take coming in right now on some of the strategies. But Somil, what about specific mid-cap ideas?
See, mid-cap ideas, as I said, PSU banking looks great to me. Indian Bank, Bank of India, Canara Bank. I'm betting on Bank of Baroda here. A small flag pattern has formed here. A good support around 40 daily moving average. I'll be targeting at least 320 for Bank of Baroda, and stop loss would be 298. Absolutely positive on the stock, taking support at 40 daily moving average, started making high tops, high bottom. In fact, in this space, Sundaram Finance looks good, Chola Finance looks good, M&M Finance very specifically. Stop loss would be around for the short term trade. Stop loss would be around 356, and a little deeper stop loss would be 343. And my targets would be around 410, 415 in the short to medium term outlook.
Okay. All right. Fine. So that's the take with regard to an M&M Finance. In terms of some of the other numbers, and again, not exactly the most enthusing, but NSDL's numbers were out largely in line with expectations. Revenue was in fact down 10% on a sequential basis. Profitability also down around 19% on an elevated base. Balkrishna Industries was the other one which will be in focus again on the back of numbers. Again, largely in line. Ask Automotive. Now, again, the numbers didn't really stand out, but you saw very good set just in terms of the progress. I'll quickly iterate those numbers. Revenue is up 18.5% on a YOY basis at around 1,084 odd crore. Again, very strong. Record revenue quarterly when you're looking at it. EBITDA is up 27.5% on a YOY basis at 141 crore versus the 111 crore number same time last year. And margins came in at 13%. Last 3 quarters now, margins have hit the 13% number. So that's the other positive. And profit after tax coming in at 80 crore, which is a 21.5% growth on a YOY basis. Some of the auto ank names, Somil, anything standing out for you? A TVS Motors, for example, also came out with a very strong set of numbers. Do any of those names stand out?
On the auto space, I think Hero MotoCorp and Bajaj Auto, these are my top picks at the moment. They've corrected a little bit. Very specifically, Hero MotoCorp, it's corrected in the last couple of months now, and taking support around 5,200, and the 200 daily exponential moving average is also at around 5,200. So it's a very crucial level at this point of time, and I'll be expecting a very good run up from here for Hero MotoCorp. Bajaj Auto also looks great to me. It has broken out of a huge inverted head and shoulder pattern. Now I'll be expecting in the medium to long term outlook, I'll be expecting the stock to go about 10,500 levels in Bajaj Auto. Stop loss would be around 9,060 and 8,900. A little deeper stop loss, but the stocks look great to me in the medium term outlook.
Okay, so that's
What's your opening trade? And you were talking to us about your view on Indus Tower. So complete that point for us and also talk to us about your opening trade.
Indus Tower, yes, I would definitely go with Indus Towers in the medium to short-term outlook. Looks great to me. It has taken support at the averages and also forming high tops, high bottom. Medium term, definitely great here. 420 and 410 would be a good stop loss levels in the short term, medium term, and the targets would be above 470, 480 levels. So positive on Indus Tower. My trades for this this morning, the real estate stocks looks great to me. I think here there is a spark today morning, but we should remember that the medium term charts looks a little weak, but in the very short term there could be a spike. Lodha would be my pick. Keep a very strict stop loss here at 900 levels, and on the upside I think the targets would be around 990.
okay. All right. So that's with regard. Somil, what do you make of the move in IT and potentially an opportunity you reckon, or are you not as positive with regard to the IT index?
It has been in a good uptrend. Tech Mahindra and HCL Tech, these are the two stocks which I'm tracking. They've done really well. Medium term outlook still remains positive. In the very short term, there could be a small pause, there could be a small correction here, but Tech Mahindra still remains my top pick. Stop loss on the downside is 1657, and I'm not expecting the stock to go below 1657. So buy on decline should be the strategy. These are all opportunities, maybe 2 or 3 days of small correction or a pause, but that will be a buying opportunity. And on the upside, Tech Mahindra targets would be much above 1850, 1860 levels.